Hello everyone, Marie's here. In today's video, we're breaking down super stress-free vocal warm-ups exercise that anyone can do, even if you've never sung a note in your life. So get ready to warm up your voice and build confidence from day one. The humming is great to wake up your resonance. You'll feel the sound vibrate in your face, on your lips, in your nose. Close your mouth and make a light hum. Hmm. 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 Pay attention to the feeling. Let's do it one more time. Hmm. 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 Now let's say hmm and hold it for 5 seconds. Hmm. One more time. Hmm. If you feel the buzz sound, good news! That means the resonance is working. 2 notes up and down. Take a breath. Keep the buzz in front of your lips. Nice and easy. Nice work. Keep going, one more. Great job. Now let's work with another nasal consonant. N. N. You feel the sound vibrating right behind your nose. Try it. N. N. Feel the buzz. Nice job. Woo! Keep going. One more to go and that's it. Okay, let's put it all together with a complete exercise. So keep breathing and focus on the vibrations in your lips, your nose. You can do this. I'm right here with you. Follow along. Nice work. Keep going. You're doing great. Nice. Inhale. more. Nice work! The next exercise is perfect to learn how to place your voice and feel the resonance. Let me show you the exercise. We're going to start with the hum and then add a vowel. I, A, U. So, it's the same pitch 3 times. Let's try the exercise. Follow along. Nice work! Keep going! You're doing great! Now we're going to do the straw phonation. It's a great vocal exercise to learn how to control your airflow. Inhale, exhale. The goal is to control the airflow so you're able to sing longer phrases. Now let's add a sound. Choose a note. Let's do it one more time. Inhale, exhale. If you want to check out the full tutorial, I put a link right here. Let's sing 5 notes up and down with the straw. Follow along. Nice work. Keep going. Yes, keep breathing. Stay focused. Woo! A few more. Well done. Okay, one more. Nice work. Fantastic job. Let's continue with the last exercise, lip trills or lip rolls. If you love this video so far, give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And of course, subscribe to my channel for more vocal exercises like this. With the next exercise, we're going to focus on flexibility. Lip trill is a great exercise for releasing vocal tension. Let's make some keep your jaw relaxed. Nice work. Keep breathing. Don't push. Nice work. Well done. One more to go, and that's it. Okay, you made it. Did you prefer the straw, the humming, lip trills? Which exercise did you enjoy the most? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. It really helps my channel. Until then, see you next time.